In this demo, we are going to look at how to do your online or course registration. So you head to the university website, you go to students and hit MIS, or you can click on students here. It takes you to the students portal. Then from there you can hit on MIS web, which then takes you to this screen where you can enter your student ID and PIN to log in. So let's enter a student ID 10, then the PIN, then you hit the login button. Now when you get here, you click on registration. So you go to the registration menu on the left, you accept the rules and regulations if you haven't done so yet, then you hit on submit registration. Now on each step of the registration you have instructions to guide you through what to do. So you have the instructions here. So it says what we should click on qualification code towards register for related qualification. So this is a qualification code. You're expected to click on this. So you click on the code, then you hit register for this qualification. Now the next step, also you have the instructions written here. So if you read through, you realize we are supposed to go with the second one here. So click save and continue to continue with registration. So we want to continue. You don't have to change anything here. You don't have to change anything here. You only have to click save and continue. So I click save and continue. Then you are presented with this screen where you select your subjects for the semester. So also you have the instructions up here. So always if you forget in case you forget how to go about it, there are instructions on each page to guide you through. So with this student, we'll select the courses by checking the check boxes over here. So I'll select the courses for this student by checking. So we have Poly 112, so C1, so C122, then INFS 102, so INFS 112, then EGRC 144, then EGRC 150. So I guess that's also INFS 112, Poly 112, and so C122. Alright, so yeah, so you have to cross check everything before you hit continue, or before you hit continue. So we are done here. So I hit on save and continue. So click on save and continue. Okay, so here you still have instructions here, so you make sure what you have selected is what you're supposed to register for, then you hit on continue, then you hit accept registration, Now when you see this screen, that means you have successfully completed your online registration. So always, every time you print, try and print and keep a copy. So print a copy by hitting the print copy. So you print this copy and keep it for yourself. Now let's look at how to add subjects to registration. So assuming you have you have omitted some of the courses and you want to add them. So to add subjects to registration, you hit what? Add subjects to registration menu. You select the academic year, so you check the academic year and the semester. So it's semester 2, the academic year is 2020, so that means I have to select this option. So I click. Now, so the courses you have already registered for would be checked this way, as in they'll be striked out. You can't select them again. So you select the ones you want to add. So you select, so assuming I want to add Psych 102 and this, I select them and I hit save and continue. Then you follow through with the steps what we did earlier. Save and continue, and then accept registration at the last end. Okay, so for this student we have selected all the courses already. So now what if you want to cancel a course? So you have registered for a course that you are not supposed to register for. So in this case, you hit subject cancellation menu. So subject cancellation. So you click on the courses. So you click on the course, select the reason you want to cancel it. So you look through and select a reason. Then when you are done, you hit save subject cancellation. So at this point, after clicking save, your course, this particular course I've checked here, will be cancelled. Now, a word of caution: at this point, when you cancel a particular course, you won't be able to add it back when you go to add subjects to registration. So be careful when you are canceling courses over here. If after canceling you can't add it back, you would have to go through a long process. You have to write to the academic office for them to re-add that course for you. So to avoid that long process, make sure you know what you are doing before you go ahead to cancel a course. Alright, so after all this, if you want to check your proof of registration again, you hit on proof of registration. Then you have your registered courses. So this is how to go about your online registration. In the next video, I'll talk about how to do or how to register for receipts. So until then, it's a goodbye.